Hello and welcome to day 28 of the 30-day self-care challenge. Now, if you don't know what the 30-day self-care challenge is, there's a link in the description box below that explains all about it and where you can go to sign up. And even though it's late in the game, if you sign up now, as soon as you get that confirmation email, the challenge will start for you on day 1. Today is another recipe. It's our final one for the month. Now, we've already made carrot soup, and we've made lemon spaghetti, and we've made Greek chicken. And today we're going to do something really super easy, and we're going to make portobello mushroom sandwiches. It's a cold and blustery day today. It's really windy. I don't know if you can see that out the car window here. But we're on our way to the farm because they have the best mushrooms. So I'm looking for portobello mushrooms that are really big, and wait till you see the size of the ones that they have at the farm. Because you want something that can fill out a round roll like a kaiser roll. Because I just treat these like they're burgers. And really, portobello mushrooms are so tasty and meaty that it's actually like eating a burger. But it's healthier and it's vegetarian. And I just dress it up like a burger too. I'm just going to put lettuce and tomato and maybe some mustard or some spread. So just treat your sandwich like a burger and put on whatever is your favorite topping. And I think you'll have a great, delicious sandwich for dinner. Take a picture of your sandwich and post it to Instagram with the hashtag 30daysforme, and I will talk to you tomorrow.